Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about another one of my product favorites, and it's something that I've used for probably the past 6 months now, if not longer, and have really got a good hold on exactly what I love about it, along with how well it works. And that's going to be the Love Beauty and Planet's shampoo and conditioner. These are my absolute favorite shampoo and conditioners. Now, as a cosmetologist, I have used a lot of shampoo and conditioners from various companies, from high-end Pureology NanoWorks to Moroccan Oil to Joico to Bedhead. But there has been a lot of shampoo that I have worked with over the years or have personally tried over the years, and if I've worked with it, I would try it on myself before I would use it on my clients. And this has stolen my heart, and it's something that you can pick up from like a Walmart, and I am blown away. So like I said, I've been using it for like 6 months. This is like my 4th or 5th set that I have purchased because of how much I love this. I use a lot of shampoo. I have a lot of hair. My hair is really thick. But my problem that I ran into before with shampoo and conditioner is the shampoo would work fine, or it would be that kind that would not suds up. It doesn't contain any lauryl sulfate. So whenever I would try to suds it up, it would be a hassle, or I would have to use a ton more shampoo and or wash it twice, 3 times sometimes, just to get what I felt to be a really good clean feeling on my scalp. My scalp is very finicky. It tends to get little flakes in it. I tend to itch right back here in that lower portion of my head. I tend to get really oily by the second day to where it looks just greasy and messy, and it looks like I haven't bathed in forever. However, since I have found this shampoo, and specifically the lavender one, because I did try these, and don't get me wrong, I love these as well. However, the lavender one is the one that works for me. I think there are several other sets of these as well. Let me pull up their website. Whenever I fell in love with these, I decided to do some research and figure out what is so different, because, you know, to me, it's very hard to be happy with a shampoo, and why did it take me 41 years to find my favorite? So one of the key things that I recognized right away is their absolute loyalty to the earth and to our planet and sustainability. One of the key approaches that they've done on that is really interesting. Sometimes in this industry we run across shampoo companies that have put their bottles in a bottle that, if it was taken to a landfill, would have a seed embedded somewhere in it to where it would grow like a tree. And so some of these different approaches on being innovative is really interesting. And one thing that they have on their website that I found really interesting is with their conditioner, they have designed a conditioner that rinses out really fast. And I was like, why? Well, one of the reasons why was to keep down water usage. And I found that absolutely fascinating, that's one thing that nobody had really looked at it from that perspective, as to how quick this will rinse out of your hair to cut down on water usage. So let me read through some of the things that the website talks about when it comes to their shampoos and who they are as a company. Love Beauty and Planet started with one goal: to make you more beautiful and give a little love to our planet. We want it to help make a little difference towards a happier, less wasteful planet with every shower. Our approach is a holistic one, encompassing the entire product life cycle and beyond. We've given careful thought to our ingredients, product packaging, and social partnerships. We call it our passionate journey of small acts of love, and we're just getting started. So they have a 100% recycled bottle that they come in. Fast and fabulous, lightweight, fast rinse conditioners. Uncompromised beauty for your skin and hair. Our collections are infused with natural ingredients like organic coconut oil and murmuru butter. We committed to sourcing high quality ingredients but responsibly. We also make our products vegan and never test on animals. We skip the silicones, parabens, and dyes too. Ethically sourced fragrance oils absolutes. Each of our fragrances is infused with an ethically sourced essential oil or absolute, like French heirloom lavender. Carbon conscious and caring. Our carbon footprint efforts will always be transparent and open about our carbon footprint. As part of that commitment, we will not only disclose our annual carbon emissions created through the products and distributions of our products and the calculations we take to get there, but also work to reduce that carbon footprint 20% by the year 2020. So yes, I'm in love with this company. It does have coconut oil, natural argan oil, ethically sourced lavender, safe for colored hair, vegan, yes, with plant-based cleanser, not tested on animals, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. It smells amazing. It smells exactly like you stepped into a lavender farm. You know the fake lavender smell. Every one of us have smelt the fake lavender smell. We know what fake lavender smells like. This smells like real lavender. I cannot live without the shampoo and conditioner, and I cannot say enough about it. So I will post a link below if you do have the chance. It's not that expensive. I think it's like $6 to $7 a bottle. And when I say not expensive, yes, it's not suave prices. However, it is still reasonable for the quality. You are getting more than a salon quality when it comes to this shampoo at a really good price. Like, I wrote these people. That's how much I love them. I wrote them to tell them, I'm in love with your products. They do have several other scents. Like I showed you, this one is shea butter and sandalwood. I picked it up because I love sandalwood. However, it did not work for me, but I still love the smell. I still love the company. It's just this formula. It just made my hair too oily. This is actually designed for smooth and serene, calming definition for frizzy hair, and acts of love for our planet. I mean, come on. You can't give this any hate. They are so amazing. Okay, so we have for hair. Let's take a look at all the different ones they have. We have coconut oil and ylang. I don't even know how to say that. Long. I don't know. Lang. We have murmuru butter and rose. We have radical refreshener, which is a tea tree oil and vetiver shampoo. We have the lavender, argan oil and lavender. We have coconut water and mimosa flower shampoo, and then the shea butter and the sandalwood shampoo. So they offer 6 different sets to work with every and any hair type. That is it. You can look at my hair and tell how healthy it is. And yeah, I love it. All right, guys, and that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments or anything you'd like to know further, please leave it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notifications. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you and have a beautiful day.